and thank you so much for tuning in to yet another RV tour. It is yours truly. It is Heidi here with RV Roadway of Opelika, Alabama. And today I have for you the brand spanking new 2025 Forest River Sandpiper 3900 HBLR. I can't even wait to show it to you. Just look at the preview. Just look. So you guys are really in for a treat today. So without further ado, stay tuned and let's go check it on out. Okay guys, so of course I left my microphone at the other store and I don't have it. So hopefully you guys can hear me real well. We are close to the interstate. You can see it right there. So I'm gonna try to talk very loud. We're gonna start on the exterior and work real quick to the interior. So of course, at the front, as always, one-piece molded fiberglass front cap right here, looking absolutely beautiful. Of course, you know Sandpiper's changed it up for the year 25 and 24. It looks beautiful. LED strip right there. Docking light. You're going to have that Lippert Rhino pin box as your hitch pin. And let's go talk numbers right off the bat. Let's go see what it weighs. What's all the numbers? Okay, so coming over right here, dry, you're looking at 13,920 pounds, right at 14,000 pounds dry. Length, 42 foot 9 inches. Your GVWR is 16,085 pounds, and your cargo carrying capacity should never exceed 2,106 pounds. All right. Well then, that's a big old rig, guys. What do you say? LED strips up front looking beautiful. Right up here, you're going to have some spare storage, like maybe a spare tire if you wanted to do gin prep. Right here, you're going to have 2 propane bottles. You're also going to get that massive pass-through storage. Check this out, guys. 2 GFCI outlets, a satellite connection, your battery disconnect. You got some exterior lights going on. Your auto level and solar charge controller can be found over there. Look at that aluminum frame, vacuum bonded laminated sidewalls, of course. It is going to come with the outdoor griddle, 18-inch gas griddle. And then you're going to get this exterior mini fridge Everchill refrigerator. Nice thick magnetic latch doors. You're going to get 2 exterior power awnings with LED strips on the exterior of this coach. It also is prepped with that Furrion side camera, and it's prepped also for the Furrion camera above the door to smack that baby on, and you can see on both lanes going down the rig as you're going to swap lanes. Of course, you already know it's going to be a dual axle, 7,000 pound heavy duty axles right there. This is the 3900 HBLR once again. There is that camera prep for above your door. And as you know, Sandpiper has the massively wide entrance doors. This is not your standard RV entrance door. Sandpiper goes wider. Here's your second exterior awning with your LED strips coming on your slide out. You're going to see it's going to have that TST tire pressure monitoring system. It's going to have the 125 Lion's Head lifetime warranty on them tires. Quick LP connect right there if you wanted to hook up a grill. In the back, you're going to have that accessory hitch. It is prepped for a backup camera, and it's also ready for that Lippert telescopic ladder. This is going to be a 50 amp unit. Right here is going to be your your entertainment and kitchen slide out. And then up front is going to be your bed slide. All of your freshwater connections, low point drain, sewer, city can be found right here on this side. And check out them red disc brakes looking real good right there. Love that. Looking nice. Them are some big old Goodyear tires. And then right here is going to be your convenience bay. And I done told y'all a lie. This is just going to be the other end of your pass-through storage. Once again, right here's your auto leveling system with more exterior lights, and that 30 amp solar charge controller can be found right there, guys. Now, here is your convenience bay. This is where all your water connections are. You're going to see you even have a water filtration system built in. It does have a light for when it's dark outside. Hot and cold outdoor shower winterizing. All of that can be done right here, your black and gray tank. Now, guys, let's go to the fun part. All right, and we are standing on the inside. Front door, of course, that screen door. The traditional Sandpiper clock is directly above it. You're going to have them steps on a strut assist, so that bad boy is going to make them steps as light as a feather, and your handy dandy fire extinguisher. Now, as soon as you walk in, you are greeted with this right here. This is your control panel. Turn your lights on and off, let your slides in and out, check the status of your tanks and your battery, turn your water pump on and your heated and holded tank pads. So if you didn't know, you do have 12-volt heating pads on your tanks, your gray tank, black tank, fresh tank. So that way during the winter, your tanks do not freeze over. All your lights, your ceiling fan, everything can be handled right here. Here is your first AC right here. And as you can see, it's 81 degrees in this rig, guys. I'm sweating, and you can see why I'm kind of like not wasting any time. Max air vent fan, boom, right there. That baby pushes out some air. Dual 15K air BTU, so 30,000 BTU AC right here. And it comes with 200-watt solar package on the roof with a battery with your 30 amp solar charge controller. Now, check it out. Two massive opposing slide outs in the living and kitchen area. And guys, the desk, oh, I love the desk being there. If you work from home, if you have kids who do homework, that desk is absolutely perfect. And if you didn't need that desk, guys, you can easily take that out, remove it, and put you a little table right there. But you do have eating and dining in your beautiful waterfall kitchen island. You're going to have them accent lights as well. Nice chairs right here, guys, for your kitchen island. Solid surface countertops. Look at how beautiful. Love what they've done with it. Accent lighting looks great. That accent lighting is awesome. That pantry right there is the best pantry I have ever seen in an RV, guys. And I'm in a lot of RVs, more than the average person. So therefore, that is very nice. You're going to have storage all across right there with some more accent lighting. A huge, massive rear window to show that beautiful view wherever you're at. Wall-to-wall cabinetry space right here. GFCI outlet. Well, that's an inverted outlet. And then, of course, you're going to have this pop-up outlet right here. Lots of space in here, guys, to stow away things. Soft close, of course. And then right here, of course, you're going to have some more space, a little bit deeper. Fantastic. Loving the L-shaped lounge, guys. You can lay right here. It's really comfortable. I sat in it. I wanted to test it, and I'm happy with it. Blackout roller shades, of course. I have them down just due to the heat. But, guys, there is massive windows in here. I mean, this whole entire wall is nothing but windows. Beautiful wooden desk accent right here. I love the gray. I love the wood. 6 total pull-out drawers. Of course, you're going to get like a butcher block countertop, it looks like. Wireless charger right here. You can let that sucker go in and lay your phone on it, or you can pop it up and bring it up. You'll have USB, USB-C, and then regular outlets as well. Now, here's the best part. Your entertainment area that features a 65-inch flat screen smart TV, a huge Greystone electric fireplace as well, guys. Built-in JBL audio right here so that you can listen to music on the inside and the outside of this beautiful rig. You're going to even have some storage space right here. It is fantastic. But guys, if you think that it doesn't get any better, oh, it most definitely does, because right here you have a little lever and you can release that and you will see that you have hidden storage behind this TV as well. Perfect. Looks amazing. Closing it back. Perfect design right there. I am loving this. Big old TV with accent lighting behind it. Guys, oh man. Perfect. Now, of course, you're going to get the nice residential style appliances. You're going to have that Furrion microwave, that 3-burner cooktop, and oversized oven. And you're going to get, of course, built-in pots and pan storage. Really pans and not pots. All soft close cabinetry. Uppers. I love the light uppers and the dark lowers. Beautiful. The countertops, gorgeous. A woman most definitely designed this, and that's okay. Matte black high-rise pull-out faucet, under-mounted style, single basin, farmhouse style sink, looking beautiful. You make messes just like that. You're going to have some storage underneath that sink if you need to work on your water lines. Of course, you're going to get that Ever-Chill refrigerator as well. Beautiful. Beautiful. Looking amazing. I love it. Nice residential style refrigerator. And then you're going to have your freezer section, of course. And now for the fun part, guys. Look at this pantry. Opening it up. Guys. Woo-wee. Look at it. Look at it. Amazing. Coffee for days. If you have Keurigs, if you have air fryers, pressure cookers, all that, crock pots could go in here. Love it. Dog food, cat food, space for everything. Love the built-ins on the doors too. They did not waste any space. It looks amazing in here. Huge, I mean, outlets everywhere. 2 right there, 1 up there. Yeah, they thought about it all. And these are thick too. Like, this looks really good. Great job, Sandpiper. Now, coming on over here, let's go check out this half bath / laundry room that you get. I don't know if you're familiar with the 3800 RK Sandpiper, but in this area, you get side-by-side washer dryer. It is like a laundry room. And I can see that they did the exact same thing, except they made it stackable and they turned it into a half bath, which is so awesome. Stackable washer and dryer. Linen space. Got a big old deep drawer right here. A little hanging rod right there. There's a sticker showing you those 12-volt heated holding tanks we were discussing earlier. There's your gas water heater. Max air vent fan in here as well. Push out some air. Oh, I can already feel it. Wow, it's hot in here, guys. You're going to have your sink right here, of course. GFCI outlet, and you're going to have a little bit of storage space right there. And you also do get a built-in medicine cabinet right here behind your mirror. And then you're going to get that corner toilet. I guess since we're not going to be in here, we might as well just turn that off. And stepping out and going to take a look at the master. You're going to have some steps right here. Big old window. Another huge window. Handy dandy grab rail into your king master suite. Looking fantastic. Look at all the space you get in here. Big old window right there too. King Master Suite, and you'll notice that you have GFCI outlets on both sides with shelves for CPAP machines, phone charging, and other things like that. Of course, this is a 72 by 80 king style bed. And lifting the bed up, you'll see you do have storage underneath this bed. And that goes all the way back. Nice. And it's got strut assist like little arms right there, so that's nice. Bringing that back down. You do have a little cubby in the wall over here for some stuff. Over there. And then, of course, your dual dressers right here. And then on the wall behind me, you still got a little bit more cubby space. Right here. Check this out. 4 total dressers. Or, I'm sorry, drawers. Boom. Same right here. That's going to be a little bit deeper. And then Soft close. And TV prep right here with the proper outlets that you need in order to hook up a TV. If you didn't want to hook it up on the wall, you got an outlet right there. You can set it on top of the dresser. Now, whoever is sleeping in this bedroom is going to have the best master bathroom in an RV ever. Huge walk-in style shower, built-in seat in that shower. No, I just lied. There ain't no seat, but there is built-in wall shelves right here, which is a must-have. Look at that matte black faucet. Ugh. Guys, it's getting hot. I'm getting hot. Calm down. I know you haven't eaten lunch yet, and I know it's hot, and those two things don't mix well. Okay, you have a really nice shower head right here. I love this shower. Glass sliding doors. Skylight for additional headroom. You got AC in here. You got a max air vent fan that I'm going to turn on so I can breathe. Yeah. Okay, sweet. Cubby space over here for linen. You're going to have your toilet right here. And then the best thing ever, you're going to have an LED lit mirror back here, guys. It looks awesome. Dual vanity. Look at all that linen space you get in there as well. Some space underneath too if you want to kick off your shoes. Really nice. Really nice. That's just antifreeze. Soft close. Everything is soft close. Loving it. And for the best part, this walk-in closet, yours and mine, he or she, whatever the case is, both of you have your own sides in that closet. And shoe storage. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this. Canned lights in the ceiling. Wow. The washer and dryer does not take away from your front cap closet space. You're going to have that king Wi-Fi prep in here as well. There that is. And then the other opposite side, you can hang suits, dresses, shoes, pants, clothes. Guys, this is a closet, okay? So much space in this closet, too. Both of you, your whole family could fit in there. My whole family could. Check that out, guys. Dual entrance as well, magnetic hail. Love it. So tell me, what do you guys think of this brand spanking new floor plan? It is absolutely magnificent. I am in love with it. This is my favorite Sandpiper floor plan I have ever seen. I love it. This is, once again, is the 3900 HBLR, and it has so much to offer, guys. So, as you know, if you don't, every single thing is done here by me. The filming, the editing, the putting together, down to the caption, down to the post, down to the pictures of the units. I do it all myself. So please leave me your feedback, leave me your suggestions, comment, like, share, and subscribe. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, by the way. If I haven't said that already, this beautiful 3900 Sandpiper is located and available for now at RV Roadway in Opelika, Alabama. Guys, we are located right off of 82. As you can see, we are so close off to the interstate. Get off up there, take a left, take another left, and guys, you are right here at our dealership. Thank you so much for watching. Go check it out on our website, rvroadway.com. All you have to do is type in 3900 HBLR, or you can type in Sandpiper, click the Opelika location, and she will pop right up. Thank you guys once again for watching until the very end. And per usual, it's time for you and your family to take life on the road. And until next time, we will see you then.